Hello and welcome to today's video. Are you ready to elevate your career with IBM certifications? In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 IBM certifications that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're interested in AI, cloud computing, automation, or cybersecurity, these certifications will set you on the right path. Kicking off our list is the IBM Cloud Pak for Watson AIOps v3.2 Administrator Certification. This certification is your gateway into the world of AI-driven IT operations. As businesses increasingly rely on AI to streamline their processes, this certification teaches you how to deploy and manage AI applications within the IBM Cloud Pak environment. If you're new to IT and want to step into the future of AI in operations, this is where you should start. Next, we have the IBM Cloud Pak for Business Automation v2 1.0.3 Administration Certification. Automation is at the heart of modern business operations, and this certification equips you with the skills to implement and manage automation solutions using IBM's cloud technologies. It's ideal for beginners looking to make an impact in process automation and business efficiency. You'll gain hands-on experience with tools that automate repetitive tasks, allowing businesses to focus on innovation. If cybersecurity is your interest, the IBM Security QRadar SIEM v7.4.3 deployment certification is a must-have. This certification focuses on the deployment and management of IBM's QRadarSIEM, a critical tool in detecting and responding to security threats. With cyber threats on the rise, expertise in security information and event management is highly valued. This certification is an excellent entry point for anyone wanting to break into the cybersecurity field. For those of you interested in cloud computing, the IBM Certified Developer Cloud Integration v2 certification is designed to build your skills in integrating cloud solutions. You'll learn how to develop, deploy, and manage applications in the cloud, which is an essential skill set in today's tech landscape. This certification not only introduces you to IBM's cloud platforms but also prepares you to tackle real-world challenges in cloud integration, making it a strong starting point for a cloud computing career. Lastly, the IBM Certified Administrator Cloud Pak for Data certification is tailored for those aiming to master data management. As data continues to be a critical asset for businesses, this certification teaches you how to deploy, manage, and scale data environments within IBM's Cloud Pak for Data. It's perfect for beginners who want to specialize in data management and administration, ensuring that you're well prepared to handle complex data operations. Alright folks, that's the end of today's video. We hope this video will help you make an informed decision for your career. And if you want to effectively prepare for your certification exams, Pass4future has got you covered. Go on, visit Pass4future.com to try our free demo questions and start preparing for your upcoming certification exam.